In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a star icon on your iPhone status bar. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings and there go into your focus mode settings, and here I got the star focus mode. Actually, its focus mode displays right there in status bar, so I can add there another mode. I just tapped on plus sign at the top right end, and here I need to select custom, and there I can first select color, and there I can select any icon that I want. I can tap on headphones or fire icon or heart icon or whatever I want. And also I need to name that focus. I'll select heart, for example, and then hit next. There I can configure this focus mode as I want. I can select allowed calls from like everyone, select allowed apps and hit done. And now I can enable that mode, and this is heart icon right now there, but I can go to star focus mode that configured in the same way and enable that mode to get their star icon. So now you know how to get different types of icons right there in status bar on your iPhone with iOS 15 and above. That's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.